Mama.
This is Kanishk. Welcome to our channel
Inspiration and More.
So guys, today we are doing an experiment. What's the name of the experiment?
Dancing popcorn.
Yes. Are you excited?
Yes, of course. I'm so excited.
Me too. I'm excited. So we need 5 things or items to do this experiment. First, we need half a glass of water. It's your wish, but it's always better to take half a glass of water. So next, we need spoons to mix everything. And we need corn kernels. I took my handful of corn kernels. He took his handful of corn kernels.
Just I'm showing what it looks like. She will show.
So next, we took half a cup of vinegar.
Vinegar.
Yeah.
Yeah. It smells so bad. Yuck.
This is baking soda. We took half a tablespoon of baking soda.
Ask your mama. She'll give
baking soda. And yeah guys, this experiment will create a little mess.
Yes.
So you need a tray. You can use anything. You can even do it without that. But if the mess is created, we can just wash it so it's easy.
Yeah.
So and yeah, all this is required for this. So let's get into the experiment. First, into the glass of water, we are adding our corn kernels.
First, just you should hold like this. Hold your glass. Here.
Yeah. These are our corn kernels. Let's give it a little mix.
Wow, it is looking some big.
Yeah, they look big. You know why? Because water and the transparency of the glass.
Yeah.
So next, yeah guys, you can even take normal glasses. We took it because it looks cool when this dances. See, this is Kanishk's, this is mine.
It is so big.
So next, you are going to keep the tray because even if you spill something, it's good.
I'm going to spill it.
Yeah, we make a little mess. So this is our glasses. Then we are going to add vinegar to this.
Carefully. Please hold small kids.
Yeah, this is our vinegar. And let's mix it again so this at least dissolves a little. Not too, like don't mix it a lot, just mix a little bit. Yeah, it's enough. So then we are going to add our baking soda. This is
1,
the 2, 3. You see it fizzing? Wow!
It looks like juice when I open
Guys, this looks like fountain, don't you think so?
Yeah. So many water.
So guys, what do you think is this foamy kind of looking substance? This is okay. The reason behind this is if we add vinegar and baking soda, it reacts and it forms a gas called carbon dioxide, which is also known as CO2. So guys, the basic thing
it has started to dance.
See, it's dancing.
But Mama says no dancing. Which will wait 5 minutes.
It'll take few seconds.
Hey, Mama is already dancing. But it is coming some gas.
So guys, if you observe, we are seeing millions of bubbles, that is CO2. So underneath, suppose if you take Kanishk's as example, there are millions of circles surrounded for the corn kernels. So that is carbon dioxide. So and the bottom they collect the gas and they come up. And once they pop down, up here, they come down again, they collect and this process continues. So yeah, suppose you can observe, if you are too curious, you can observe how this really works. I gave a little mix so that they will come up and down maybe. Yeah, oh my god, mine are coming. So look at his is perfect.
Don't mix.
Mine I don't think so it's gonna work, but yeah, for Kanishk it's working properly.
I have made slowly, that's why.
So guys,
it is working.
So guys, if you are too curious, you can observe this, and if it stops, you can add baking soda and it will work fine again.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is the experiment. It's so fun observing them dance.
Dancing, I like to dance.
Yeah. Oh man, mine is working now. See, it's coming up and down, up and down, up and down.
But
yeah,
buddy.
It's
going so speed. See,
oh my god, they're coming like a group of sheep and attracting together. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video.
Bye.
If you like the video, like, share, subscribe to our channel
and comment.
And turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a video. And yeah, see you. Bye.